Hello guys, today I'm just back with another unboxing video. To be honest, I just got this phone for my sister, and that's not my hand. This one is my hand, alright? And she's supposed to unbox it. This is Galaxy S25 FE. Yeah, and so I got it for my sister, yeah, because it's the best phone for a female. Trust me, the Ultra version, that's too big, and S Pen is useless for her, and a lot of stuff. But this phone is like really, really has high quality and everything, and she's supposed to unbox it right now. Yeah, go ahead. Let's see how you're gonna unbox it. You know how to unbox it.
Yeah.
Go ahead. And in the next video, we're gonna unboxing the. I'm going to unbox the charger to see if it's real or fake. Okay, put it. No, don't worry. You don't know if it's fake or real. I'm gonna create a video about that, if it's real or fake. Seriously. Just take a look at the package. Just turn it. Yeah, it's like S25 Ultra version, but But by the way, in another video, I'm gonna compare it. With like S25 FE with versus my S24 Ultra. Okay. Let's see what she's gonna do. Usually I'm not looking like females unboxing phones. Seriously. Alright. Alright. There we go. Just gonna show your face. Powered by Android. Did you know it's Android phone? That would be so funny if Samsung create. Come on, that was super fast. If Samsung just create like HyperOS or like NeoOS, that would be so funny. Yeah, you can just set it up, accept the agree. Okay, there is no disagreement. You have to agree. There is no choice. You can just set it up later. No, bro. Yeah, just skip. That's for the video, bro. The people watching. What is that? Okay. You're all set. Okay. Let's see the battery person. It's on 47. Battery person is very important. Okay, can you just show the design of the phone? Like design. No. Just turn off the screen. Just show the design. Like the camera and like the back glass and everything. How do you feel?
Awesome.
It's like Samsung, yeah?
Yeah.
It's super cool. Anyway, I don't know. You can just see. You can just. Come on, that looks super smooth, isn't it? Here's the camera. Come on. The camera? Yeah, the camera looks amazing, isn't it? Okay, so I don't know. You can just change some setting. Okay, can you just let me to set up the phone? Alright, let me just pause the video. Alright guys, let me just set up the phone real quick. The body quality, look at that. it feels amazing, not gonna lie, compared to my, but you know guys, I already in my, you know, your hand is just covering the camera, yes, okay, you know, but compared to my S24 Ultra, I don't like round edges because that's not my phone, so it's not important for me, and everything is fine. I like the buttons, the camera, and everything looks super cool. To be honest, it looks super cool. Okay, so let's set up the phone real quick. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to the settings and I'm going to the display and turn on the vivid mode. The motion is like a standard motion, yeah. The screen is already on vivid mode, but you have to go to advanced and super vivid. Now the colors looks much better. Look at that, you know, the colors looks amazing, not gonna lie. And everything is fine with that. So the other thing is you have to turn off the printing system. Edge panel, navigation bar, the swipe, yeah, switch it. Now it's good. Touch sensitivity is actually charging information. And let's just go for the printing system. By the way, I'm gonna create a video about like comparing S25 FE with S24 Ultra, like the camera, the speed, and everything. What is that? Print. Can you just, you know, that's just too close, you know, when I can see what I'm doing. Printing, you know, turn the printing off. Yeah, turn the printing off. Nearby devices. Hold on. Auto update system configuration and more. And Wi-Fi, Bluetooth is off. NFC off. I don't need it right now. And let's see what else. Okay, it's like the previous system. So location is on. Turn it off. Its by default is Android 16, I think. Let me just see. I think it's Android 16. Software updates, about phone. Let's just see software information. Yeah, it's already Android 16, guys. Amazing. Okay, so let's just go back, and I don't know if anything else which is we can do with. By the way, it has all the AI feature which is I have on my S24 Ultra or S25 Ultra. You know, we have all of it. The only thing is you have to just set up your Samsung account. The camera quality, wow, super fast. Come on, that was pretty fast, not gonna lie. Let's just Google Play. Yeah, the phone looks amazing, and that's all. Here it is. Thanks for watching, guys, and yeah, that's all. Goodbye.